For the professional, you want the best tools available. With this Milwaukee 2695 24 combo kit, you will have what you need to perform a huge variety of jobs. Whether you work in construction, the automotive industry, carpentry, maintenance, plumbing, or other major trades, you'll find some use out of this kit to keep your work running smoothly. For tearing through lumber of varying sizes, use the Hackzall reciprocating saw, which lets you easily grasp it with its single-handed rubber texture handle. For driving different fasteners, you can use the 2607-20 hammer drill or the 2656-20 impact driver. With these, you can drill pilot holes through wood and masonry and drill screws, bolts, and more through it all with precision and ease. If you're working in the dark, you can keep your workspace lit with the 2735 work light. It can stand on its own, giving you both hands clear to do the work you need to. With a bag to keep them all in, 2 high-capacity batteries, and a charger to keep them fueled to your needs, there are few other kits that will provide as much utility and power as the 2695 24 combination power tool kit from Milwaukee. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2607-20 Hammer Drill Driver. This cordless hammer drill driver is especially suited for driving holes through softwoods, hardwoods, and masonry. Switch between 3 different drill settings with the top-mounted switch and 18 different torque settings with a clutch attached to the keyless chuck. Number 2. 2625-20 Hackzall Reciprocating Saw. Use this saw to tear through branches, lumber, PVC pipe, and more. Its quick lobe blade changing system makes switching between applications a breeze. Reaching overhead spaces is easy with the one-handed design and lightweight. Number 3. 2656-20 1/4-inch hex impact driver. Driving lag bolts through porches and thick lumber with pilot holes has never been easier. The variable speed trigger can drive fasteners both large and small, with the onboard LEDs lighting your way for clean work. Number 4. 2735-20 Work Light. With an adjustable head that's made of sealed aluminum, you can take this outside in varying conditions. A flat standing base lets you keep this shining on your job while you have both hands clear to do the work you need to while seeing it clearly. Number 5. 4811-1828 Batteries, and 4859-1812 Charger. 2 extended capacity, 3 amp-hour batteries are included in this kit, along with a charger to keep them full. The batteries have an onboard fuel gauge and come loaded with RedLink intelligence. This lets them communicate with the charger and the tools they power to save power and prevent overheating. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.